Hey guys, welcome back. I got a new fidget spinner, okay? And I'll be showing you, well, not really showing you, but I'll be doing some wickedly cool stuff with my fidget spinner and with this one. So, it's not gonna be much, but I'll show you what it is. Take a look. You see how that's normal, right? It's not spinning that way, it's spinning this way, see? Watch this, ready? Watch this. Pull out this one. I'll do it again, ready? Oops. So yeah, I showed you, I just showed you guys how. Well, I'm not going to show you how to do it. If you see, this will go the opposite way, maybe. Well, yeah, if I get 100 subscribers, I will give away a fidget spinner, and I'll surprise you. And leave a comment down below why you want a fidget spinner, and I will maybe give you one. Okay? But I have to see a good reason. Let me see 2 good reasons, and I'll give you a giveaway. 1 free fidget spinner. Batman one too. Peace.